On this week's Inventory Spotlight, check out this 2021 Keystone Coleman 286RK. Start your adventure off right this year, and see why this camper trailer will fit your lifestyle perfectly. Enjoy the outdoors while cooking with the convenient outside kitchen. Inside, you'll appreciate the efficient use of space, with conveniences such as the seamless countertop in the kitchen, beautiful backsplash, plus a full complement of appliances that will make meal prep and clean up easy. You can keep plenty of ingredients and snacks in the large open shelf pantry next to the residential size fridge. And there are lots of additional overhead storage cabinets throughout. The living area has a swivel rocker, 4-person bench style table, and convertible, jackknife sofa across from the fireplace, perfect for staying cozy and relaxing with family and guests in the evenings. As we move towards the front, the bathroom is to the left and has a step-up shower, toilet, countertop sink vanity, and mirrored medicine cabinet above. Past the bathroom and at the front of the trailer, the bedroom has a queen-size bed with nightstands and dual mirrored wardrobes on the side. At the foot of the bed are additional cabinets and drawers in the corner. With 2 shelves overhead and more storage underneath the bed, there's plenty of space for all your camping essentials. The campground awaits you and your family, so get out there and enjoy it. In this great Coleman travel trailer. Come see this, and hundreds of other pre-owned recreational vehicles. Come check them out at RV Depot.